This is Candace here, and I'm coming to you today with a mukbang. So this is party food. I have my rice, my sesame here, with some baked beans and some barbecue cauliflower and some mango passion juice in my mermaid cup. That is good. I also have Tabasco. So I was seeing YouTubers all over the place eat Tabasco. I'm like, is it really that serious? So there were coupons for them. So I bought them. I bought three. I bought a green one, and but this was the best flavor. This is the pepper sauce. So this is the best flavor. I love the heat on it. This is the baked beans and the rice. I was going to separate it, but when I went to heat it up, I threw it all in one bowl. I was like, listen. The baked beans are sweet. My sister made the rice and she put all kind of flavors in it. She put sazon in it to make it red. My mom didn't like it. My mom don't like flavorful rice. She only likes white rice. This is so good. So, I was supposed to go live. I was supposed to go live and make me a mommy drink on live and drink my mommy drink. So I was making pina coladas with, this is so good, with white rum. I cannot find the white rum. So, being that I know I have to look for it, I'm gonna really search for it because we bagged everything up and put things away in. So just a few places. But tomorrow, if I don't find it, I'm just gonna make a virgin. Because I've been craving it. So cute. This is so good. That's one thing I miss about when I eating meat and stuff like that. I love me some wings. I love barbecue sauce. I love to like dip it and all that. That's the one thing I miss. Dipping stuff and messy eating. Ooh, the pepper. I'm getting full. This rice on this top is calling me. Mm. 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 So, how I made the cauliflower wings, I put it in the air fryer. I seasoned them with cayenne powder, garlic powder, onion powder, excuse me, Himalayan salt, sea salt. And then when they were like 10 minutes in, I flipped them. And then took them out and for like 15 minutes in the air fryer. And I took them out and put barbecue sauce on it. Pretty tasty. That's the best part that I love about cookout. It's the leftover food. And I love how everybody was so conscious of me. The rice, the vegetables, the fruit, the beans. And you wanted to put some vegan stuff on the grill? I was like, no. I just ate some grilled corn. My sister made me some vegan slaw. I love the spice that's in that Tabasco. Tastes really good. It's flavorful and spicy, but not too. This side is calling me. This looks so good. It looks so good. Doesn't it so? Doesn't this look good? I don't know how my mother could just like white rice. She took a bite of it. Someone was like, yeah, season it with something. I can taste it. You know. This is the rest of the cauliflower wings. You know what I learned about my hair? I learned that because I've been washing it weekly, I learned that, and I've been like treating it better. I've been treating it better. I've been putting in treatment. But I've been treating it better. I feel like it shows. I feel like I was loving it and treating it good. And now it's loving me and treating me good. Is that weird? Because there was times so I was so bad for my hair. And finito, this cup is so cute. That was so good. Okay. So even I wanted to finish eating before I played in my hair. Okay, so when you get pepper, take the plastic off. About the plastic on there. I'm still open it and still whatever. One day, I hit the plastic and it popped it, like flung back, and the pepper flew off and flew into my eye. It was terrible. It was terrible. So like my hair, I could just, like I could just pull on it and put my, it's curly, so I can't really run my fingers through it. But, and then I was walking by a mirror, I was walking by something, and I just seen my curls and seen my hair, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm treating my hair better, and she's treating me better. Yeah, but that concludes my mukbang and my hair tips and my hot sauce tips. But thanks for watching. Bye.